This is Electric Universe Size, and I'm in Hillsboro, Texas. Check out these rocks. See that, how that pinches together right there? There's just little lines that connect, and you can see where they pinch together like that. Some more. So I suppose water could have carved this, but what doesn't make sense to me is all of these lines right here. Those holes. A lot of pinching actions here. Look at that. It's like a perfect little drill hole. And again here. Just got these perfect. To me it's almost like a crater chain, but you can see where the material just kind of welded together. Snow. From my observations, that's not water erosion. That's how this is formed. Look at that. See that pinch right there? It's not water erosion. It's not water. This bubbly mass of limestone right here. That layering on top. Here's another one. It's not water erosion. It's a big old giant daddy. Perfect hole. It's awesome. Oh, look how this starts right here. Crack goes over that way. Just follows that shape. Got these big giant little portholes over here. Smooth surface down there. There's that one. Look. These little pinch points right here. Erosion doesn't cause pinch points. The material fusing and growing together does. Come on. Look at this. Look at this hole. You see what I see right inside there? Look, it's a nodule. Look at that. There's a nodule in the side of this little hole. Yep. Alright, here's the last one I'm going to show you. I think, maybe. There you go. A little natural bridge right there. Another bridge. Is that erosion? It's just eroding like that? Or to pinches like that, say this is how it's formed. That's how it's formed. Well, back that way is San Antonio. But you can see how all these hills, as you go north, just gets bigger and bigger. And it's like a reverse Lichtenberg pattern when you view it from Google Earth. It looks like just fingers coming off. And as I've been driving around Texas, I look at all of these formations and wonder, could these have been from floodwaters crossing over the whole continent? Or is it as simple as something reaching down from the sky and pulling up materials as it's gathering material from the air or the ground, whatever's going on? There's lots of things happening, but just look at this trail, for example. We've got this little trail of clouds, and you can see how it kind of wraps and wisps around. So if that was an aurora and you had plasma columns coming down and touching the ground as there's all these winds, that's how I think all of these mountains were made. I call them mountains, but they're just hills. Whatever. You can see here, this is where they perhaps cut out the road a little bit, but there's this area. And you can see this is just a flimsy, it just looks like lime. Breaks real easy. But this right here, hard stuff. Pretty dang hard stuff right here. And again, got the classic little bubbles like I was seeing in some of those big giant rocks that I'll find around different areas. So I've gone around the bend a little bit, and again, you can see how it's just this layers of rock, dirt, and then more rock. And there's just all kinds of loose rock thrown up on here. So I don't know what the elevation is where I'm at, but it's pretty high up here and compared to where I was in San Antonio. It was some pretty steep climbing. Even just looking at some of this local stuff here, look. Look at there. There's a shell right there. So full of fossils. Look at that. I think that was just like that. Pretty cool stuff. Look at this. Same stuff. Look. All vitrified looking. I don't think that's from water erosion. All right, I'm near the top. Check out that view. Well, now I'm in Fredericksburg, Texas. I'll be staying the night here, and I chose the spot that's close to a creek that runs through the middle of the town. I don't remember the name of it, but as I'm walking down, this thing already caught my eye, and again, you can see the different layering effects. Some weird noises back there. Check this out. What the heck is that? Anyway, there's like it looks like a bunch of little, almost spirals, and kind of forming in there. You can kind of see, it looks like little filaments popping out, and that looks like calcite or I don't know, maybe a quartz, but again, you can kind of see the spiraling action of it. So I'll get a side view of this guy. There we go. There's a little back hole. And you kind of see I see a definition right here. What I think that charge was that went through there. More interesting layering on this rock. And what the heck? This is I think this is flint. That's kind of cool. That's kind of interesting too. Some limestone. One of those holes go through there. This local stone's just peppered with those same types of holes and little patterns. So I'd just like you to consider, are these holes made from water, or could they have potentially been made by electricity? Here we see a picture of sprites taken by Paul M. Smith, photographer. This is happening at the highest layer of our atmosphere. So what do you think could have happened below, as well as right in the middle, at ground level?